It is a network that has held together a population of over 1 billion people. A self-propelled social network scheme that has come to be the lifeline of this country, bringing together to the fore the very concept of a united India. But today, this grand old Indian enterprise is struggling. Its finances in the doldrums, nobody to hold its hand and take it forward. Once again, as we stand at the anvil of the railway budget, the question we ask is, can the Prime Minister Narendra Modi actually usher in the Achhe Din that he promised, especially for the population of 2.5 crores who uses this network every day? We begin our journey where we take a reality check. Headlines Today correspondents have fanned out across the country, and we begin this journey from Varanasi, where my colleague Anjana Om Kashyap gets on board the Shiv Ganga Express and speaks directly to the people who use this network on what will it actually take to turn around this enterprise into what it was, a grand old mesmerizing fire-spitting demon.
The station at Varanasi overflows with waiting passengers. With no proper place to sit, they scatter around the platform, strewn around like the luggage they carry. The train arrives, we get on board the Shiv Ganga Express and enter the general compartment and are overwhelmed. The compartment is packed to capacity. There's not even an inch to breathe.
6 घंटे से यात्रा कर रहे हैं, ऐसा लगता है गिर जाएंगे किसी के ऊपर। बैठने के लिए बिल्कुल जगह नहीं है, पैर रखने के लिए जगह नहीं है।
कहीं जगह नहीं है बैठने की, नीचे भी
कहीं नहीं है, पूरी में नहीं है, यहाँ कहाँ बैठेंगे, कहीं जगह नहीं है।
As we make our way to other compartments, we see men, women and even children sleeping on the connecting plates. Clearly, passenger safety is still a major concern for Indian Railways. Then there were some who were sitting on the floors because their tickets were on the waiting list.
क्यों बैठे हुए हो? ये आपकी सीट नहीं है, आप ऐसे चढ़ गए हो?
जी सीट नहीं मिल रहा है ना, टिकट नहीं मिला है।
टिकट नहीं मिला लेकिन आप चढ़ गए?
नहीं, टिकट फाइन कटा के चढ़े हुए हैं।
अच्छा, अब ऐसे ही रात भर सफर करेंगे?
जी
1 महीना हो गया, 23 तारीख का कटाए हुए हम लोग, 23 मई का।
वेटिंग में 1 महीने से आप ट्राई कर रहे हो लगातार और आपकी कंफर्म नहीं हुआ टिकट?
तत्काल में नहीं मिल रहा, पिछले 5 दिनों से लाइन में, तीसरे नंबर दूसरे नंबर पे भी नहीं मिल रहा मैम।
मेरी मजबूरी है बैठने का, जगह मेरी मजबूरी है यहाँ पे बैठने के लिए, मेरे को जगह नहीं तो बैठना ही पड़ेगा।
सुरक्षा के लिहाज से ये ठीक नहीं है यहाँ पर बैठ,
बिल्कुल ठीक नहीं है। बाकी मैं मजबूर हूँ।
इतना वेटिंग है गाड़ी में, वेटिंग वाले लोग बैठ गए हैं गाड़ी में। क्या करेंगे, वेटिंग वाले तो बैठे हैं गाड़ी में। इतना लंबा वेटिंग है, जगह रहेगा तब कुछ हो पाएगा जगह इनके लिए।
Varanasi to Delhi on the Shiv Ganga Express is an overnight journey. We head to the pantry to see what passengers are served. And what we see is appalling. Dirt and filth all around, even drinking water is not clean. Even with such a deplorable state of affairs, the response to the recent fare hike is mixed. People don't mind paying a little extra if they are given proper facilities.
अभी नई बिल्कुल से सीट ली है, तुरंत यहाँ इधर रेल किराए से सीधे हाई लेवल पे ले गए।
रेल बढ़ा है तो प्रतिदिन व्यक्ति यात्रा थोड़ा करता है, कभी कभी करता है। गाड़ी इतनी है, आदमी को उसमें कमाना भी है, उसमें तो भाड़ा इतना हो जाएगा, फिर कैसे आदमी सफर करेगा।
Bureau Report, Headlines Today.
Efficiency, punctuality, cleanliness, women's safety, world-class services. Well, these were the buzzwords that the newly minted Railway Minister Sadanand Gowda has harped on. But are these words spoken, made, built only for press conferences? My colleague Manogya Loewal got on board the Jan Shatabdi Express from Howrah to Patna and spoke directly to the people on what was wrong with the Indian Railways. Well, what happened in this 532-kilometer journey? Find out.
Every day, crores of passengers travel in Indian Railways, but today we will get you an experience of Eastern Railway by travelling a stretch of around 532 kilometers from Howrah station to Patna in Patna Jan Shatabdi Express. The train usually runs late, and the 10-kilometer stretch, the time duration is usually extended by several more hours. We will get you an experience of what we face. The major major problem that people face while travelling in Eastern Railway is that most of them have a ticket but are unable to travel on their own berths. Well, surprisingly, we have a few people who have certain complaints and have had harrowing experiences about it too. So what was the experience that you faced regarding your ticket, and what are the difficulties that you face on the way?
Actually, most of the time when the people are traveling in the train, the people who is not authorized, he doesn't even, he has a general ticket and they are getting into it. They are sitting over the chair. And if you are telling with them something, they are telling you, hota hai, chalta hai, let it go. No, the problem is going in.
In this sweltering summer, all the relief that these passengers have in the normal sleeper coach is of these fans and the windows. But the reality is that they have had a shock from the Narendra Modi government. Let's talk to a few passengers on what do they think about the price rise hike, at least when the fares are concerned. How disappointed are you with the price hike, especially of the rail fare hike this time?
हम लोग चाहते थे जो नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार आएगा तो आदमी के लिए भला ही होगा। ये हम लोग इसके लिए बहुत आशा व्यक्ति हुआ, लेकिन जब आया तो पहले आदमी का ऊपर गिर दिया भाड़ा का बढ़ने से। ये हम लोग को बहुत परेशानी का बात है।
प्राइस जो हाई हुआ हम तो सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है, क्यों जो 14% बढ़ गया है तो बहुत आपत्तिजनक बात है। ये अच्छे दिन का बात है क्या? ये शुरुआत है अच्छे दिन का। ये अगर अच्छे दिन का शुरुआत है तो हम लोग का जेब तो काटने वाले अभी से चालू हो गए।
टाइम टेबल मेंटेन करना चाहिए, क्योंकि देखिए हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि ज़्यादा राइट टाइम में ट्रेन आएंगी तो जल्दी जल्दी घर जा सकेंगे। जो दूसरी बात है कि आपका साफ सुथरा थोड़ा होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये रूट में आपका ट्रेन बहुत कम है। एक ट्रेन मिस करेंगे तो जो गैपिंग है उसके तत्काल अगर कुछ ट्रेन की सुविधा हो तो अच्छा होगा।
We've seen that the services have been deteriorating and the expectations this time are high. Perhaps great expectations from the Modi government, and how to be performing further is for the government to answer.
Fine, it's fine that it has been increased, but we require better services now. And bus now it's his turn to prove that we had already done an incorrect decision. We had taken an...
Well, what about you? Do you feel that it's safe to travel? Because women have been complaining about the problems that they face in the daily railway services.
I guess fares are increasing, so we also expect some better services from Modi Sarkar. Now he's turn to prove that how much he do or what he do.
Normally it is the duty of the Railways Department, rather the Ministry, to ensure that there is cleanliness in the railways and the compartments, especially the AC coaches. But during our travel we did not find a single person. Instead we found people like these who kept ensured that the whole coach was clean. They cleaned and then asking for money from the passengers. It is a regular affair on this route at least. We spoke to a lot of passengers who also clarified that they did never find any railway official cleaning it. The duration that the train travels is almost 10 hours, and it starts from Patna to Kolkata and then returns from Howrah to Patna. And during this 20 hours of journey, there is not even a single person from the railway officials, rather the department, who has been deployed for the cleanliness. And that would give you an idea of the hike that we are seeing, but the services that we are getting.
टिकट है, पानी भी नहीं है, सफाई भी नहीं ठीक से हो रहा है। एक लंगड़ा था जो साफ कर रहा था पैसे मांगने के लिए, और तो कुछ था नहीं।
यहाँ तो पानी नहीं है। मैं तो वॉशरूम भी गया था, वहाँ पानी के नहीं होने की वजह से मैं वॉशरूम भी नहीं जा सका। और टीटी साहब से बात भी किया तो उन्होंने बोला कि ठीक हो रहा है। एसी भी काम नहीं कर रहा था, उन्होंने बोला कि एसी जस्ट ठीक होने जा रहा है।
Complained that there was no water supply in the coaches here, and we tried to do a reality check. In the reality check we found that there's no water actually, and the problem for these passengers is that they will have to travel a distance of 10 hours without any water supply. And that's not just the problem with the women is that it is even more difficult for those who are traveling with children. Let's talk to a few passengers on what do they think and what are the problems that they face, especially because of this. Let's also get an idea on what are the problems that they would be facing because of no water supply. Ma'am, what are the problems that you would be facing because there's no water supply in the coach, and especially when you're traveling with kids?
Like because of no water supply, I am facing a lot of inconvenience because see, like my daughter, she wants to use the washroom and she's not able to do it because like there is no water supply and she has to hold herself, and she is telling mom, the train is too bad and like there is no water left, so why are you traveling in train?
During our reality check from Howrah station to Patna station in Jan Shatabdi Express, we tried to explore the reasons and the problems that are faced by the passengers. It started from no water facility in the train for several hours and the problems that have been faced by the passengers. Innumerable number of safety reasons providing, and also suffocated atmosphere in AC compartments too. Perhaps a questionable reason on why the fares are being increased, and if they have been increased, whether the amenities too would increase. So it remains to be seen on whether Modi Sarkar is able to deliver on what they promise. With camera person Chitrabhanu Pathak, this is Manogya Loiwal in Patna Junction for Headlines Today.
The railway says that its internal revenue generation has fallen. Experts believe that to increase comfort, to make sure that passengers on board the Great Indian Railways are safe, one needs to increase fares. The UPA government had recommended a 5% increase in freight charges and a 10% increase in passenger fares, but developed cold feet. The newly minted Prime Minister Narendra Modi bit the bullet, increased fares, only to roll them back under ally pressure and, of course, state assembly elections in places like Maharashtra. My colleague Amrita Shetge got on board the Mumbai locals, the lifeline of Mumbai, the wheels that actually sustain the city, and found out from the people on what's wrong with their trains.
कृपया ध्यान दीजिए, प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 1 पर 11:43 की अंबरनाथ जाने वाली 12 डिब्बों की टीवी लोकल है। 1 मिनट की।
These are the wheels Mumbai runs on. Arteries that pump life into all parts of the country's business capital. The crowds, the rush, the energy, all part of the daily grind of lakhs of Mumbaikars.
Trains are the lifelines of Mumbai and you don't even get a place to sit there. The condition is same in general coach or in ladies coach. Now government has increased the rates of railway tickets, but now people are criticizing government by saying that you have increased the rates of tickets, but there are no facilities for trains.
The crowd start right at the entrance. Often there's no option but to go along with the flow. If you're not among the lucky ones with the season pass, you get stuck here in the serpentine lines at the ticket counters. New technology has been introduced to keep up with the times, with the increasing rush. But it's a drop in the ocean as far as the passengers are concerned. Facilities in stations are rudimentary at best. Despite cleanliness drives, the space is not the healthiest. Drinking water is scarce and restroom facilities are seldom available.
बिल्कुल सुविधा नहीं है, 40% भी सुविधा नहीं है, मोर देन 20 से 25% ही सुविधा है। अभी उस सुविधा नहीं है, उसकी आदत हो चुकी है, इतना डबल भाव करके कुछ मतलब नहीं है।
अभी एक सीट पर 4-4, 5-5 बैठते हैं और इतना भी है कि लोग लटक के भी चलते हैं, कोई गिर भी जाते हैं, तो ये कोई सुविधा थोड़ी है।
भीड़ होता है तो ऐसे खड़े रह के जाना पड़ता है, कौन सी सुविधा है? पैसे बढ़ाते रहो, पब्लिक देते रहे और मजा लेते रहे सरकार।
Safety is another major issue in Mumbai stations. Accidents are frequent, with lives endangered daily. In fact, some stations do not even conform to the new train standards.
This is the platform and this is the train, but the gap has become very dangerous and this is the death trap for many Mumbaikars. Many have lost their lives just because of this gap, because this gap is very dangerous. If there is a crowd, then it is very difficult to get into the train, and because of that this gap is a death trap for many people.
1.5 फुट का गैप है। अभी ओल्ड वुमेन है, आदमी लोग है, ये सब उतरने के टाइम, चढ़ने के टाइम उनको कितना तकलीफ होता है। वो लोग समझना मांगते हैं ना, कितना बार वो लोग के पास कंप्लेंट किया, क्या किया, वो लोग खुद ध्यान नहीं देता है।
Once at the platform, it's a race to reach the compartment on time. The big doors on the locals help in the ingress, but once in, Finding a seat is practically impossible.
महिलाएं भी लटक के ही जाती है ना, ऐसे ही फुल रश तो रहता ही है। सुबह जाओ, शाम जाओ, दोपहर में जाओ, कभी भी रश रहता ही है। तो ऐसे लटक के ही जाना पड़ता है महिलाओं को।
बैठने को तो जगह चाहिए, खड़ा भी नहीं, सीधा खड़ा नहीं हो सकता आदमी लोग इतना, मतलब ये सिर्फ खड़ा भी रहेंगे तो भी थोड़ा प्रॉपरली होना चाहिए, वो भी नहीं है।
हमको खड़े रहने के लिए जगह नहीं होती है। ये तो फिर भी सेकंड क्लास है, चलो अभी दोपहर का टाइम है, थोड़ा खाली है, बट सुबह के टाइम फर्स्ट क्लास हो या सेकंड क्लास, लिटरली लोग ट्रेन से बाहर गिरते हैं।
The ladies' special compartments are the holy cow, untouched by men, more comfortable than the general class. Women's safety is one of the biggest concerns the railway is trying to address. But the reality is different. Rules say cops are mandatory in these coaches after 9 p.m, but often there are none.
पुलिस वाला रहता भी तो वो जल्दी आगे बढ़ आता नहीं है, मोस्टली आफ्टर 10 o'clock रहता है, उस तरफ बैठा रहता है, पर कुछ भी कोई जेंट्स वगैरह चढ़ेगा तो जल्दी आते नहीं है।
Local trains are the lifelines of Mumbai. Mumbaikars cannot imagine their life without these locals. But there are many problems. Somewhere there are trains are overcrowded, somewhere there is no security for women, and somewhere there are no clean toilets. Now, people are asking the same question that though government have increased the rates of tickets, where are the facilities? With cameraman Ritesh Patil, Amruta Shedge in Mumbai for Headlines Today.